Rolling resistance affects fuel consumption, which makes up to 21% of a fleet's operating costs, and therefore plays a major role in reducing CO2 emissions. Rolling resistance is one of 5 main forces that a vehicle and its tires must overcome in order to move forward and make the tires roll on a given surface. The other 4 are gravity, aerodynamics, inertia, and mechanical friction. But what does rolling resistance mean exactly? As soon as a rubber tire bearing the weight of a vehicle begins to move, the tread and sidewall are subjected to flexing, bending, and shear forces. The tire continually deforms and recovers its shape, and in this process, known as hysteresis, energy is lost, dissipated in the form of heat. This is the main cause of rolling resistance. To maintain forward momentum, more energy is required in the form of fuel, leading to higher CO2 emissions. So the lower the rolling resistance of your tires, the less fuel your vehicle will consume. Among the tire components that contribute to rolling resistance are the design, depth and width of the tread pattern, and above all, the tread compound. To reduce rolling resistance, the compound needs to deliver low internal friction so that less energy is lost in the form of heat and fuel consumption falls. The formula of the compound has such a big impact on rolling resistance that 2 outwardly identical tires with different rubber compounds will have different rolling resistance. Other factors that influence rolling resistance include correct tire pressures, the vehicle's load, and the load distribution. Lowering the rolling resistance is no easy task because it's hard to improve this side of a tire's performance without negatively affecting others, such as handling, grip, or mileage. But thanks to extensive research, innovative compounds, and improved production processes, these conflicting goals can now be reconciled so that tires with low rolling resistance deliver a good balance between a tire's handling, grip, and mileage. Ultimately, when choosing the right tires, you need to carefully weigh up the various tire characteristics, the requirements of your vehicle's application, and the specific needs of your company. The right tires for your business? We help you choose.